So here we are today. We're looking at the concept builder found under kinematics called matching pairs, speed, distance, and time. And I'm going to walk you through the wizard level, at least one of these questions in the wizard level, at least to give you an idea of how to think through some of this. So the instructions say tap to select a matching pair. Once two options are selected, tap on the check match button. I think it's easiest just to start going around here and looking at these. Some of these are clearly sort of an answer, travels 4 meters. There's not really a lot you can do with that, but some of these definitely have two pieces of information. This one has a final speed of 8 meters per second. This one says it travels 8 meters in 4 seconds. We're just assume there's no directions to this, so we're just going to call this speed. So we would have 8. The equation for speed is speed equals distance divided by time. So we have 8 divided by 4 would be 2 meters per second. So let's see if we can find one that says 2 meters per second. Right there we go. We can check that, and we do see that we're great. This just has 8 meters per second. Here's one that has 2. Travels 16 meters in 2 seconds. So this would be 16 divided by 2. Do we see a speed somewhere of 8? Yes, there we go. Has a final speed of 8 meters per second. Wait though, I almost did that wrong. This has a final speed. This has an average speed. That's what we're looking for there. This one honestly could be true, because if its average is 8, the final speed would be that too. But this is a better answer. We're probably going to need this one somewhere else as we're looking along. And we'll see that, I'm sure, here. So steadily speeds up from rest to 4 meters per second in 2 seconds. These are the trickiest ones. So we go from 0 to 4 in 2 seconds. And it's important to think, if you're going from 0 to 4 in 2 seconds, what is your average going to be through the course of that time? It's going to be, you would have an average speed of 2 meters per second, because you go from 0 to 4. And so if you went 2 meters per second for 2 seconds, 2 plus 2 would be 4. So that would be travels 4 meters, because it's averaging 2 meters per second, and it's doing that for 2 seconds. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yay for math. We can check that. Oops, I should have checked that one. And then we can check this one. And then these, of course, is going to be our final one, but let's prove why they're correct. Starts at rest and travels 16 meters. So we have 0, and then it goes 16 meters in 4 seconds. Well, what do you really do with that? Well, you have a distance, 16 meters in 4 seconds. So average speed would be 16 meters divided by 4 seconds. So that would be 4 meters per second. That would be its average speed, but we don't really have that as an option. What it's about its final speed? Well, to start at 0 at rest and to go to some unknown speed and have that average at 4, then if you go from 0 to 8, think about that 4 would be halfway between it. So that's why that would be correct. There's other ways to think about that as well, but hopefully that helps. We'll say check match. There we go. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe.